Have you ever wondered how baseboard heating works? Let's explore this common home heating method together. Baseboard heating involves heating elements installed along the base of walls. These elements warm the air near the floor, which then rises to heat the room evenly. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, this method is energy efficient and quiet. There are two main types: electric and hydronic baseboard heaters. Electric heaters use electrical resistance to produce heat. Hydronic heaters circulate hot water through pipes for warmth, often making them more efficient. Baseboard heating is valued for its quiet operation and ability to provide consistent warmth. Many homeowners appreciate how it doesn't take up much space and can be controlled room by room. This flexibility can contribute to energy savings. In summary, baseboard heating offers an effective way to heat homes quietly and efficiently. Its design and operation have made it a popular choice across many regions. Curious to learn more about home heating options?